Konnichiwa. I'm gonna be doing a haul of all my Pokemon stuff that I got at the Pokemon Center in Osaka today. At the Tokyo Pokémon Center, there were no plushies of Rowlet, so I got a Rowlet backpack, but at the Osaka one, they had a Rowlet plush, so I'm really happy that I got a Rowlet. I also got some Pokemon cards, but I think I'm gonna wait until we get back to the States to open these, because I think I might be getting like a handful more of them. So I want to open them all up in like a bulk unboxing video, so if you'd like to come back for that another time. And then I got this art book, which I'm gonna open up right now. It could be one of these 5 pictures. Don't know which one. Very surprised Chicle. Oh, I got Lugia. It's exactly the one in the box. Isn't the train so cool? I'm gonna kind of miss that a little bit. Oh, how cute he is a little tiny baby. So now these last things are gonna be some mystery boxes, a Pokemon, and a perfume bottle. You can either get Mew, and there's Vulpix. There's also a Pikachu and a Pichu. Or you can get Umbreon, which in Japanese is Blackie. You can also get, I think Shaman is its same name in English too, right? I have not actually found this Pokemon in any of my games. So, Dragonite, right? I never catch the Dratini line. I think this is Dragonite, right? Or is it Dragonair? I don't know. I never catch the Dratini line. Oh, wow. That's cute. I know Shaman. That's really cute. So yeah, more surprised Chicle. Why? These next 3, really excited about. So this is a Halloween tree, so it's specifically themed, and Gengar is the topper. So if you look here on the side of the box, there's tons of different Pokemon you can get, and you're basically supposed to stack them up. And then once you have all of them, then, you know, you've got a fun little tree set. So there's a bunch of really cute Pokemon. I love pretty much all of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up these 3 and see what I get. I really hope, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the rarest one, is I really want Gengar. Are you kidding me? Oh, first one. Open it up, and it's freaking Gengar. So this one, I don't know if I should push my luck and say which one I want it to be, but I would love to have the Ditto one, because I think that'd be cute. Or the Abra would be fun. Shut up. Shut up right now. I don't know what voodoo magic is happening at this exact moment, and I swear to Walt Disney that I did not open these up before I started doing these videos. I swear upon everything that I love. At this point, I feel like I'm just testing God and Jesus. So let's just continue this test. I would really like from this box, and I'm gonna show you, it's not broken, right? I'm tugging pretty tight, not broken. I wouldn't be mad if I had a double. Oh, I got a double. No, wait. Yeah, I got a double. So I got Gengar. I'm totally not mad at all about that. And this is my prize. I'm really happy with this trip and with this haul, and Pokemon Center Osaka was so much less crazy than the Pokemon Center at Skytree. I think there's another Pokemon Center in Tokyo, so I'm gonna try to go to that one. get some stuff, and maybe I'll do another haul video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you. Bye.